How to change business account to personal account in WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change business account to personal account in WhatsApp. Now, the process itself is simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, if you are using the WhatsApp business account, you should be using the WhatsApp business app, right? And there you want to head into the settings and you want to back up your chat first so that you don't lose any of your chats. After that, after you have backed up your chat, you want to simply go ahead and you can uninstall the WhatsApp business. You can simply install the normal WhatsApp that you have, that you get normally. Here, the WhatsApp Messenger, not the business one, but the normal one. Then you can go ahead and open it up and it'll ask you to log into your account. You can simply enter in your phone number, the business account one, similar one, and then it'll ask you that if you want to convert it to the personal account, and you can simply go ahead to the prompts and you can go ahead and you can sign in easily and your account will be switched to personal account as long as you are using the WhatsApp Messenger. So it's easy, right? This way you can change the business account to personal account in WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.